What's up, YouTube? It's Zuri with Juice Yogi back with another video. Today we're going to be just juicing two of my favorite juices. One is going to be based with orange juice and the other one is going to be mainly watermelon. I hope you enjoy. I'll go through the steps with you, show you the juicing process, and we'll go from there. Juice that we're making, it's going to be packed with a lot of vitamin C. It's also going to give you a lot of gut health. It has oranges in it. We're doing some fresh turmeric, some fresh ginger, and a little bit of lemon. Here we go. of Golden Honey here. She's normally the juicer of the two of us, but today I decided that it was going to be me. So hopefully it's good. Cheers.
Cheers. That's perfect.
I missed this.
Yes.
I hope you can. You tell the people what this juice is good for?
So this blend of orange and ginger is really good for fighting inflammation. It helps with joints. It gives you a big boost of vitamin C. So it's great for your immune system. It's perfect for this time of the year in the winter when everyone's filled with all kind of mucus and icky snot and stuff. And yeah, get you a glass of this, you'll instantly feel better.
All right, so for our second juice, we're going to do that watermelon juice. It's going to also have oranges, apples, limes in it. So it'll get you that vitamin C. It'll get you fiber from those apples. The lime is going to be able to cut the taste a little bit, and the watermelon will help with hydration. So this is juice number 2. So this one is watermelon, orange, lime, apple. What's it good for?
So watermelon is good for your kidneys. It also is great for men's prostate. And apple has lots of fiber. And orange has lots of vitamin C. So lime. Lime is really good at clearing out mucus. And ginger.
No, this one doesn't have ginger.
Okay, this one doesn't have ginger.
No.
Okay.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's really good.
Very refreshing.
That's really good.
Thank you for joining Juice Yogi today, juicing. I hope that you enjoyed the recipes that we made today. Let me know in the comments down below if you like them, and don't forget to subscribe.